Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today we will be dyeing our hair. I'm starting off with splitting it just like last time, but I'm adding a bit more to the front because I wanted a bit more color to show. So that is what I'm doing. We're going to be using Brad Mondo's new hair dye and I'm really excited. To lighten the pink, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Effisol with 30 Volume Developer, and as you guys can see, this came out perfectly. All blonde again, and it literally came out within 20 minutes of me using this stuff. That's why I absolutely love it and definitely recommend it. Now to lighten the brown pieces I have, I use 30 Volume Developer again with a bleach. I wanted to see if it would brighten up the brown because I wanted to dye it like I said, and it was just a bit too dark for me. This is how the results came out. Not that well, but I decided that it was good enough and we would go ahead and proceed with the coloring. Today I'm going to be using Super Blue and Super Purple. What I wanted to do with this look was like almost an ombre effect. I wanted it to go super blue to super purple at the tips, and I thought that would just be a really cool design and a really cool look, especially with keeping my hair that dark brown color on top. Now here I will say I forgot, and usually I color my hair wet and the color comes out really great, but I didn't know how it would work with this coloring. When I was coloring it wet, it felt a bit weird and like the color was latching on. So I will say, do not color your hair wet with this hair dye. This is how it came out. Weird blue, weird green, a bit of blonde. The purple was okay, but this was not what I wanted. So this is me re-dyeing it a second time. I felt like the color absolutely latched on. This is when my hair was dry, and I felt like it looked a lot saturated and way better. And I'm just gonna let the results speak for themselves. So this dye is vegan and cruelty-free, paraben, sulfate, and gluten-free, and it comes with 8 fluid ounces, as does items like Arctic Fox, which I will give the price comparisons on the screen. This is a bit more expensive, but it is supposed to make your hair healthy in the process. And with that being the case, this is something that I would probably choose over Arctic Fox, even though it is a bit more expensive. But I think that is definitely worth it, and the color payoff is beautiful.